Hey, Number Ninjas. So I was thinking about all the math that we've been doing lately, and I decided to come up with a quick game at home that you can play to sort of help with our number sense. Those of you who have been doing your homework or your classwork each day, I've noticed that sometimes we get confused with greater than, less than, and that happens a lot of times when we're talking about large numbers. So this game is called Who's Greater? And you need to have a partner. So ask mom or dad, brother or sister, or I don't have anyone in my house who can play with me today. So I chose Yoda. So I am playing against Yoda today. And what you have to do is you have to find a piece of paper. And there's 10 turns. Yoda and I each get 10 turns. So on here I'm gonna put a M for Mrs. McGee, at the top, and a Y for Yoda, okay? And then we are going to each get 10 turns. So on the side of my paper, I'm going to number to 10. So my paper looks like this. You have to set up your own paper. In the classroom, usually I've set it up for you, but we're at home, so we have to do it on our own. And then you're gonna need a couple other things besides having your teammate. Hi, Yoda, you're gonna have to sit right there, buddy. You're gonna need to find 2 dice from any game. Although again, like I said in our other math game, you need to put the dice back when you're done. There's nothing worse than going to play a game and the dice are all missing. So you need 2 dice. Got it? Yeah. And then you need 10 of something. It can be anything. It can be 10 goldfish crackers. It can be 10 crayons. We celebrate Easter in our house, so we happen to have a bowl of 10 plastic eggs laying around. So this is what we are going to play for today. Now there are 10 eggs in here. Yoda and I want to see who can get the most eggs. The way you get the most eggs is you roll the highest number. But we're not just rolling 2 dice and then counting what we got, because that's kindergarten. 2 dice, kindergarten. We are turning 1 dice into 10s and 1 dice into 1s. So I'm gonna go first because Yoda needs to watch. So I'm gonna roll my first die and I get a 5. That means 50 because my first roll is my 10s. So I got 50. I'm gonna roll my next dice. 2. 52. Ooh, that's a pretty high number. So on Mrs. McGee, roll 1. I get 52. Okay, now it's Yoda's turn. I'm gonna roll for him. He gets, 36. 36. Oops. 36. Mrs. McGee with 52, Yoda with 36. Well, we all know 52 is greater. So I'm gonna draw that little alligator guy with his little chompy teeth. And I won that round, so that means I get an egg. Okay, second roll. Here we go. I get to go first. 40. 46. Not too shabby. I'll write it down. 46. Yoda's turn. Come on, Yoda. 20. 5. Yoda's not very good at this game. 25. Sorry, Yoda. Mrs. McGee gets the second point again. So now my sheet looks like this because look, that alligator wants to eat the biggest number. And I get to pick another egg. I'll pick another blue egg. So I have 2 eggs right now and poor Yoda doesn't have any. So this is how the game goes. You play for 10 turns. Whoever gets the most eggs at the end wins. Now you might get lucky. It might be a tie. Since there's 10 turns, I might get 5 eggs and Yoda might get 5 eggs. Then that's just a tie game. But you can always play again. So this is a really great game to play at home with somebody to work on rolling a 10s and a 1s and to work hard on comparing those numbers. So moms and dads out there, that's really what we want, is them to realize that one of them is a tens and counting by tens on that one die, and then counting by ones on that other die. And then again, we're working really hard on the greater than less than symbols. Some of us have been mixing it up. So we want to make sure that that's cemented before second grade. So my number ninjas, I love you. I wish we could play this game in class. But as always, we are at home being safe. So Yoda says goodbye, and I say goodbye, and I miss you, and there's no place like home.